Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the Tuesday edition, September 20th, 2011, of the Daily Video Forecast Discussion. Starting things out this morning with the eastern water vapor imagery overlaid with the frontal systems. High pressure is moving off the northern New England coast, and upper low is filling and closing off now across southeastern Canada. And a very weakening cold front actually is crossing now across central New York State down through Pennsylvania and snaking all the way down through Texas. Another very strong and vigorous upper low is getting organized with a frontal system structure over the upper Midwest, and that will be heading in our direction during the next couple of days with quite unsettled weather. And a warm front, cold front couplet moving across the area this morning. The warm front moving northeast across the terminals now through northern New Jersey and into the Hudson Valley. We've got some spotty light rain along this boundary as well. And we've also got temperatures this morning generally running in the low to the mid 60s, and the dew points are still in the 50s, so there's very quite dry air, and that's why the showers are really on the light side. A few of the heavier rain showers across upstate New York, and a few back down in the warmer sector here over the Maryland, Virginia area. And behind that is a cold front, but that's also weakening, so we're not really showing any precipitation behind that. And then some chillier air back into the upper 50s of the UP and Michigan there, and all the way back down through Ohio in the 60s this morning. Taking a look at some of the modeling coming in from off the Penn State EWAL site this morning. We show our warm front here with the showers and a few thunderstorms developing across the Virginia's and Maryland border this morning early after midnight. And as the front is moving, we see that the showers are weakening across the area as the lift is from the south-southwest. And temperatures this morning are in the low to the mid-60s. As we get in through the afternoon hours, pretty much precipitation is going to come to an end in the northern sections, and maybe just some clouds and some drizzle, maybe even some lighter sunshine developing across the northern sections this afternoon. And as we get into the forecast period, the front's going to kind of wash out, and another deep upper level trough is going to cross the area. And as we get into the day on Wednesday night and Thursday, more clouds and more showers will be developing in the upslope southwest flow ahead of that upper level low that I just talked about in the upper Midwest, which is deepening and developing and probably going to be cutting off across the northern New England area. And that will be present for later in the week. The models are having a hard time determining which area of short waves embedded in this flow will swing around and develop into a surface low pressure area and bring us some clouds, rain, and periods of drizzle outside of those heavier showers. The modeling starting early in the morning on Thursday is showing precipitation increasing across Pennsylvania, and then by Wednesday night and early Thursday morning we can find a moderate risk of showers and even heavier thunderstorms across the Susquehanna Valley and down through Maryland, even into New Jersey too, moving gradually to the north and northeast. So Wednesday night and Thursday, pretty much, especially on Thursday as a short wave moves through, is going to be a nasty day with lots of rain across the area, and we could have rainfall amounts that again could be providing us with problems for localized flooding. We'll have to check the rain gauges on the rivers and streams to see if we're going to have any additional problems from flooding there. And then the front will begin to kind of stall out as waves of low pressure move along it through Friday, and we could have additional showers again Thursday night and Friday before things begin to settle down a little bit over the weekend, at least early in the period. 500 millibar flow shows the upper trough digging now across the upper Midwest and eventually the Great Lakes, and right through the period from Thursday through Friday, the upper low is going to be developing and moving very slowly, so its attendant cold front structure will also be cutting off and moving very slowly to the east. In addition, we're going to have a stream of moisture, tropical infeed around this area of high pressure off the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast, which are going to be plumes of moisture coming into the flow as the upper levels and the mid and surface levels become nearly parallel to the flow over the next couple of days. So short wave after short wave is going to be moving through the area, and the timing of these will determine just how much rainfall is falling. The first of which the modeling is indicating is going to be for Wednesday night and Thursday, as a piece of this upper low shuts out cuts out an upper air shortwave, and it moves through the area. Heavier showers and thunderstorms on a strong tropical infeed here for Wednesday night through Thursday. Then things begin to calm off with clouds and drizzle left behind later Thursday and early Friday, and then another round of precipitation later Friday into early Saturday before things slow down again. And a better look at the surface features forecast. I'll start all of this over again. All right, here we go. Here's our upper low now moving into the Great Lakes. Here comes a batch of moisture here. This is going to be for the period from about, oh, geez, having a hard time today with this model here. Here's the upper low moving across the upper Midwest, developing, and then moving into northern New England. It's going to be a very slow mover. You can feel and see the entrainment here of tropical moisture with a surface low developing along or offshore the New Jersey coast, right along the frontal boundary structure, and that would be for Thursday night, Wednesday night into Thursday, with the first batch of precipitation moving through, and then another batch of heavier showers and thunderstorms moving through for Friday night into early Saturday. And then the upper system, the whole upper system, will be moving off the coast, at least at this point, for later in the weekend. So skies should become mostly sunny again by Sunday. But as been noted, these upper level systems are very ubiquitous for being very difficult for the modeling to show how far in advance and how long it will take for them to actually close off and move, because the flow is parallel and they're being cut off from the upper level jet stream. That's what cutoff lows are. It's a cutoff low from the upper flow of the polar jet. So most of the week is going to feature relatively near normal temperatures, even slightly below, but probably near normal temperatures because of the cloud cover. Expect a very light shower activity today on Tuesday, and then tomorrow will be pretty much a drier day in between the systems, and then by tomorrow night more rain starts to come again, and the rain could come down heavy overnight on Wednesday night into early Thursday morning dawn, and then just patchy drizzle, leftover clouds on Thursday, maybe a spot of sun here or there, and then more rain again for Friday night into Saturday. These will be widely scattered showers. It's not going to be an all-out rain event, but do bring your umbrella, because there's going to be areas where some people are going to get heavier showers and other areas are not, and we'll just have to follow day by day as we get a better look at where the synoptic setup is set up for that time period. So that's going to do it for today. We'll do another broadcast again tomorrow on Wednesday. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a great day, and we'll see you again bright and early on Wednesday morning.